The multimeter is a device that can measure voltage, resistance, and current. The LED is polar and the short leg is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. It does not matter how the resistor is put in because it is nonpolar. This is a multimeter, and in the circuit you will see the breadboard on which we have an LED, also known as a light emitting diode, and a protective 1000 ohm resistor placed in series with it. Once we connect the positive side of the terminal to the positive side of the LED, we can see it lights up. But if we reverse the terminals and put the negative side to the positive side of the LED and the positive side to the negative side of the LED, it doesn't light up. First, touch both probes together to reset the multimeter. Then use the probes to touch the legs of the resistor to measure the voltage going across it. Then record the voltage. Once again, reset the probes. The red probe is positive and the black probe is negative. Touch the red probe to the longer leg of the LED and the black probe to the shorter leg of the LED. Then record the voltage. Finally, disconnect the battery from the breadboard. After that, touch both probes together to reset the multimeter. Then touch the positive probe to the positive terminal of the battery and the negative probe to the negative terminal of the battery. Then record the voltage. Finally, add up the voltage across the resistor and the LED, and you'll see that it adds up to the voltage of the battery. Now use the alligator clips to connect the multimeter to the direct current or DC motor. Place a propeller on the DC motor and set the multimeter to measure voltage. With the propeller on the motor can act as a generator when the propeller turns.